in Azam City. You're watching One TV News Channel. One TV News Channel. Serving you with information, news, sports, and public affairs. One TV News Channel. One TV News Channel. Serving you with love. Ang telebisyong pangmasa. One TV News Channel. One TV News Channel. One TV special report.
We have a complete attendance, Madam Presiding Officer.
Having a complete attendance, the chair declares a quorum. Once again, good morning. Happy Easter to each and every one of us. May I request the Honorable Majority Floor Leader, Attorney Marcelian Tapayan, for the order of business, please.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. Good morning, everyone. We have no guests or visitors availing of the People's Hour, Honorable Chair. We proceed to item number 5, approval of the agenda for the day. There are written requests, concession, Honorable Chair, to order of business. There's only one, I think, the request of Barangay Laman for approval of their subwinter budget, annual budget for 2026 in the amount of 6,480,878 pesos. I will promote the motion to approve the agenda for the day with one session.
There's a motion from the Honorable Majority Floor Leader for the approval of our agenda for today with one inclusion.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. There are no minutes. There's another request just handed to me now, Honorable Chair, from the Honorable Mayor requesting this August body to issue a resolution authorizing the charging to the current operations the 25 third and fourth quarter material allowance of AOAS officers be charged to the account Ascenso Samis and Salary Service Program in the amount of 18,018,000. Officer, I again move to include this request in our order of business. There are now two items. I move the motion to approve this request of our City Mayor for approval of this request to session.
There is a motion from the Honorable Majority Floor Leader to approve the request of the Honorable Mayor for this inclusion as being presented. Motion approved.
Thank you, Officer. There are no minutes attached to our order of business for today's regular session. We now proceed to item number 7, letter D, Message and Communications, letter dated March 27, 2026 from the Office of City Administrator endorsing the request for endorsement of OM Garden Philippines owned by Mr. Julito L. Mendoza to support his application for a dairy herd build-up with National Dairy Authority. This request for endorsement was endorsed by our Department of Agriculture, signed by the OIC, Paquito Argasal Jr., and endorsed by our City Administrator, Ma'am Rutisa Grace A. Wano, and the Department of Agriculture find the application meritorious. With due respect to the Committee on Agriculture, chaired by Honorable Sani Aminal, I move the motion to favorably endorse this request of OM Garden Philippines on its application for a dairy herd build-up with National Dairy Authority for approval in the first reading with distribution.
Move with the Honorable Majority Floor Leader to approve on the first reading as being presented. Motion approved.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. The interest of public service, I move the motion to approve a paper endorsement to the National Dairy Authority, the application of OM Garden Philippines for approval or second and final reading, waiving the internal rules, Honorable Chair.
Due to the urgency of this request resolution, the Honorable Majority Floor Leader is passing this on the second and final reading, waiving the internal rules. Any comment, remarks, hearing and motion approved.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. There are no committee reports submitted under item number 8. We now proceed to item number 9, calendar of business. Please proceed to letter C, whereby we have 2 appropriations. And may I start with the first, the request of Bayagalaman for approval of their 2026 annual budget in amount of 6,430,870 pesos, duly endorsed by the City Budget Officer for approval, Honorable Chair. I yield to the Chairman of the Committee, Barangay Affairs, Honorable Gigi Canlas, to endorse and recommend action on this item, Honorable Chair.
The Honorable Candas is now recognized by the Chair for the appropriate motion, please.
Thank you. Thank you, Madam Chair, and thank you, Majority Floor Leader. Good morning to all. Calendar year 2026 annual budget of Barangay Lamaan, the amount of 6,430,878 under the General Appropriation Ordinance number 01 series of 2026 be approved on first reading with reservation, Madam Chair.
Move for first reading with reservations. Motion approved.
Thank you, Madam Chair. Due to the urgency of this matter, I would like to pass this on the 2026 annual budget of Barangay Laman, the amount of 6,430,878 be approved on second and final reading, waiving the internal rules.
Due to the urgency of this request resolution, the Honorable Candas is passing this request of Barangay Lamaan for its general fund in the amount of 6,430,378. Move for the second and final reading, waiving the internal rules. Any comment, remarks, hearing and motion approved.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. Appropriation number 2, the request of City Mayor for us to pass resolution authorizing to charge the 2025 third and fourth quarter monthly allowance of AOAS officers to the current operation, specifically the account Assistant Samis and Services Program in an amount of 18,000 pesos. I move the motion to approve this request for approval in the first reading with reservations, Madam Chair.
Move for first reading with reservations. Motion approved.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. In the essence of public service and to espouse and fiscal management, I move the motion to approve resolution authorizing to charge to the current officials of 2026 the previous 25 third and fourth quarter monthly allowance of AOAS officers in amount of 18,800,000 for approval on second and final reading, waiving the internal rules, Madam Chair.
Due to the urgency of this request resolution from the Honorable City Mayor, the Honorable Majority Floor Leader is passing this request on the second and final reading, waiving the internal rules. This 2025 third and fourth quarter monthly allowance of AOAS officers in the current appropriation, specifically the item of appropriation Asinso Ozami's ancillary service program in the amount of 18,000,000. Move for second and final reading, waiving the internal rules. Any comment? Remarks? Hearing none, motion approved.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. There are no pending matters on my table under item number 10. Basis for third reading, hence, at this juncture, may you have the pleasure and privilege to hear on PCL matters from Honorable Catherine C. Lim, Honorable Chair.
The Honorable Catherine Lim is now recognized by the Chair for some PCL matters, please.
None as of this moment, Madam Chair. Thank you.
Okay, noted.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. May you also have the privilege and pleasure to hear on scheme matters from Honorable John Pel Duelongson, Honorable Chair.
Honorable John Peluel Lungsod, you are now recognized for some scheme matters.
Thank you, Honorable Majority Floor Leader. Madam Chair, for scheme matters, I'd like to inform that last March 25, we had a successfully conducted the first quarterly meeting of the Local Youth Development Council, and followed by on March 27, we successfully hosted the third monthly SK Federation of Isamis Occidental monthly meeting, and followed by the courtesy visit of our City Mayor Sam Norman Gofuentes with all the SK Federation presidents in the province of Isamis Occidental. Thank you, Honorable Presiding Officer and Majority Floor Leader.
You noted your report, Honorable Lungsod. Any comment or remarks? Hearing none, motion approved.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. May we now have pleasure and privilege to hear on ERC matters from Honorable D.J. Canlas, Honorable Chair.
None
Honorable
at
Canlas.
this moment, Madam Chair. Thank you.
Okay, noted.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. May you also have the pleasure and privilege to hear on matters concerning the indigenous people from Honorable Digisiso, Honorable Chair.
The Honorable Zuiso is now recognized by the Chair for some IP matters.
Thank you, Madam Chair. For IP matters, none as of the moment.
None at the moment. Noted.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. Before we proceed to a final item, I would like just to inform my colleagues that the OPOP board panel conducted an interview of all the OPOP applicants, additional for those who graduated in the past semester. We interviewed more than 200 applicants, Honorable Chair, and the result will be announced and be relayed to the applicants in due time, Honorable Chair. So now I yield to my colleagues for any other relevant and material information which you may wish to bring forth before the House body, Honorable Chair, before I proceed to final item.
Yes, any manifestation from this honorable body for some other matters? Okay, Majority Floor Leader, you can now proceed.
I guess there's none. I hope everybody was able to spend well their blessed Holy Week last week. On that note, Honorable Chair, I now move to adjourn the regular session, Honorable Chair.
Regular session is now adjourned.